Miss Vanderbilt,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, my son, he's 6 years old, and Damien, I'm actually bringing him to court because he hasn't paid child support in the last 3 years.
Okay.
And our son is 6, like I was saying.
Okay. Is that it? Does the child live with you?
He lives with me, and so I haven't had any kind of help. And whenever I call him to come get his son, he says he's going to come, but he doesn't show up. And so I'm here to get money for him
Okay.
to help take care of our son.
Okay, where is this Damien?
No.
No, ma'am.
Who are you?
I'm his wife.
Okay, that's great.
Welcome back to Judge Bench, where courtroom drama meets real talk. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a case breakdown like this one. Today we're diving into a jaw-dropping support court case where the father of a 6-year-old child didn't even bother to show up. Instead, he sent his current wife to face the music. What unfolded in that courtroom was a blend of emotion, confusion, and harsh truths, all wrapped into one very revealing child support hearing. The case begins with Miss Vanderbilt explaining that her 6-year-old son has not received a single dime in child support from his father. Damien, in the past 3 years, as the sole caretaker, she says she's reached out multiple times for Damien to come get his son, but he consistently promises to show up and never does.
But why are you here?
Because he's out there building the Bridge of Gibraltar. He's an engineer.
Right, but this is his child, right?
Yes.
So this has nothing to do with you. So I'm confused as to why you're present today.
Oh, just to handle the current situation.
Oh, okay. Well, that'll be cute. You're going to help him just right. All
Yeah.
right. So he's building what now?
The Bridge of Gibraltar over in Italy.
Oh. How much is he making for building this bridge?
I think easily like 80,000 just for that.
80,000 just for that?
Yeah.
Her frustration is evident. She didn't come to court to rehash personal drama. She came for support, the financial kind, to help raise her child. But instead of Damien appearing in court, his current wife strolls in and takes a seat ready to represent him. When asked by the judge who she is, the woman identifies herself as Damien's wife. She confidently says she's there to handle the situation. But the judge quickly cuts through the fog, stating flat out that this case has nothing to do with her. She's not the one summoned. She's not the one being asked to pay support, and she certainly isn't the parent in question. Yet she persists, offering information on Damien's income and attempting to defend his absence. According to her, Damien is off in Italy, building a bridge in Gibraltar as an engineer. She casually drops that he's making $80,000 just for that job alone.
You submitted on his behalf. He makes about $104,000.
That sounds about right.
It sounds about right? Mm-hmm.
Okay,
That's a
pay for
nice
his
ring you
child.
have on.
Oh, thank you.
Is that new? He just bought that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, great. Interesting. Okay. Anything, do you all have any kids or anything?
Yes, we have 2 kids together.
2 kids, okay.
Cheated on me with her.
Excuse me?
I was saying he cheated on me with
Are
her.
you mad? Are you little mad or big mad?
I think I'm big mad.
Oh, okay.
You know,
Well,
because
you know what? You're going to have to get over it because this is not a therapy court, okay?
The judge, not impressed, digs into the financial documents the wife submitted. Based on what was turned in, Damien is actually making around $104,000 annually. That breaks down to a gross monthly income of over $8,600 and a net monthly income of around $6,500. These numbers are critical. They're the foundation for calculating child support. And ironically, it's Damien's wife who handed them over, unknowingly helping the court build the very case against her husband.
Based on what he makes that you provided to the court, he's going to be paying child support. Did you know that by you showing up today and telling me how much he makes that he would have to pay?
That doesn't make any sense. How like, why? Like, he's already paying for me and my kids.
Oh.
And she should have been a better wife.
Oh.
I mean, I was
Excuse
giving
me?
him what she
How do you
couldn't.
know what type of wife that she was? Were you in their house? Yes or no?
No, I would. Well,
Yes, she was, but I wasn't there.
As the hearing continues, tensions rise. Miss Vanderbilt reveals that Damien cheated on her with the very woman now sitting in court in his place, the current wife. The courtroom turns icy. Emotions erupt. The new wife smirks while the ex fumes. But the judge, ever composed, reminds everyone that this is not therapy court. Personal grievances have no weight here. What matters is the child, a 6-year-old boy, who's gone without financial support for half his life. Despite the back and forth, it's clear that Damien has failed his legal duty. He was served and still chose not to appear. That alone puts him in default. And because of the financial information voluntarily submitted by his wife, the judge is able to move forward with setting child support.
Okay, I have child support with the reimbursement for health insurance at the $150. I have that set at $1,112.53.
Wait, Judge.
Wait, you're looking real confused. What is it?
No, okay, so anytime she asks for money, he sends it. And I've seen him do it. And anytime he calls to come see his child with her, he's willing to go. But anytime he calls, she never picks up. He's like, where is he? Never hear from her. Like, he really does try.
That's the problem.
And
I should have to call him.
The numbers don't lie. With a net income of over $6,500 per month, the judge orders $1,112.53 in monthly child support, which also includes reimbursement for $150 in health insurance paid by Miss Vanderbilt. The wife appears shocked, as if she didn't realize that providing the court with income documents would actually lead to a formal support order. She tries to defend Damien, saying he sends money whenever asked and attempts to visit the child. But the judge is quick to explain. Anything given outside the court's official order is considered a gift, not child support. And unless there's documentation, there's no proof. At this point, the judge issues a powerful reminder. This is not about anyone's feelings. It's not about how the relationship ended or who cheated on whom. It's about a child who needs to eat, who needs clothes, school supplies, medical care, and both parents are legally responsible. Thanks for watching this case breakdown here on Judge Bench. If you found this story as outrageous and revealing as we did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Comment below if you've ever seen a situation where someone tried to dodge responsibility, only to make things worse for themselves. And remember, on Judge Bench, we don't just report the drama, we unpack the truth. Until next time.